a restrictive covenant? So you own a piece of land, you're going to buy a piece of land, and you look on the title and it shows restrictive covenant. What does it mean? So a restrictive covenant is something that is registered on title, not necessarily by a city, but by individuals who own that piece of property, neighboring piece of property, or somehow involved with the property. The restrictive covenant will limit what you can do with your property. It could limit a type of business, it could limit where you put things on the property. For instance, a garage has to be so many feet from an alleyway or a roadway. It can limit the color of your roof or your siding, or even the type of fence you have. It's very important to look at your restrictive covenant and make sure before you make changes to the house that you're not going to violate any of them, because if you do, you may be required to undo that what you did, and that's going to cost you money. If you're buying a house, it's important, one, not only to know if you're planning something in advance that you're going to do that you're allowed to, but also to make sure that the property hasn't violated any restrictive covenant already on the property. For instance, if there's a restriction on the number of houses you can build on so many lots, and someone's put up infills that breaks that rule, the house might have to be removed. This is a little extreme, but it can happen, and you want to know in advance so you're not walking into any problems down the road. The issue is, when you go see your lawyer, it's often too late because the restrictive covenant is notice on title to the world that there's a restriction, and you've already agreed to buy the property with that restriction in place. That's another Kahane Law Legal Minute. Thank you for watching, and don't forget, share this video, like this video, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.